Welcome to South Africa Crime Updates channel. Criminals caught on camera hijacking DB Schenker truck carrying electronics which were collected from Tambo Airport. Criminals
These guys are
offloaded shipments
dangerous.
from DB Schenker truck and loaded into gateway panel van without registration number plates. Any information that will assist police to arrest these criminals, please report to nearest police station anonymously.
I think like it's an inside job, this thing.
Is that an escort?
Yeah,
Oh, and they're taking their guns?
everything.